Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the employment practices with respect to Japan, the land of rising sun. In this topic, the employment practices with respect to Japan, we will discuss the practice of human resource management in Japan. In the next video, we will discuss about the management practices, human resource management in European countries, in Britain, and in USA. One by one, we will discuss in the separate video, but in this video, we will start with the employment practices with the respect to Japan. Welcome to us in this lecture. A quick facts about the Japan. The land area of the Japan is about 3,78,000 square kilometer. Population is over 127 million. Language is Japanese, spoken by 99% of the population. Religion is Buddhism and Shinto, which is known as Shinto. Longest overall life expectancy rate in the world. Life expectancy means the average year of living by the countrymen. Means the overall life expectancy in the world, the Japan has the largest expectancy rate. National culture is masculine, means based most of the population is male. High power distance, indebtedness, there is no debt on general public, very less debt on the uh, physical deficit on government, options of horizontal social groupings, observance of social status. There is a harmony in the Japanese society, and there is high uncertainty of avoidance. There is no discrimination among the people or among the men's countrymen in the Japan. HRM and other employee related values and practices. Human resource management in Japan. What are the practices which the Japanese culture follow? There is an enterprise-based trade unions, cooperative relationship between employees and company, avoidance of open conflict. There is an emotional and dependent relation between company and employees. The Japanese are experts at the soft skills of the management, such as staffing, skills, and style. Ringi method of collective decision making, that is collective decision making, which we know in every place. It is known in the Japan as a Ringi method. Implicit discrete performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is there. Uh, Although there is a promotion based on the seniority, but there is a discrete performance appraisal system also in the human resource management system. Teamwork, multi-skill work teams, team appraisal, and there is a reward system in the Japanese culture. Lifetime or long-term employment for regular core employees, which is known as the Nenko lifetime. Nenko lifetime means lifetime employment opportunities. As in India, we have the employee opportunities up to 60 years or 58 years. But in the Japanese culture, there is a lifetime long-term employment opportunities. Process oriented, it is always a process oriented. Discrimination against women, employee oriented leadership style, continuous improvement, which is known as the in the whole world Kaizen system of the evaluation of improvement. Then Kaizen system is always followed thereby in human resource field to manage the employee. and there is a just-in-time production which is known as the Kanban. Kanban is just-in-time production system. Four pillars of Japanese human resource management. These four pillars are long-term employment, as I have discussed in the previous uh, slides. Seniority-based promotion and compensation, I have also discussed in the previous slide. Company-driven employee training programs, trade or labor unionism. Staffing in Japan. People are hired out of school. Retention of loyal employees are there, means they are getting the retention bonus, being the loyal employee of the organization of the firm. Performance appraisal once or twice a year. Although there is, I have already told you that there is a lifelong security system for the employee, lifelong employment opportunities. Still there is a appraisal system, although most of the promotions are based on the seniority basis, but the monetary benefit in appraisal system are based on the performance. Informal monitoring of progress, decision making capability, long term success is evaluated. Promotions are based on seniority, merit, and educational background, as I have told just few minutes back, that promotions are always based on seniority, but it is also kept in mind that it should be also based on the merit and educational background. At times of economic slowdown, companies dismiss part-time or seasonal employees. Instead of being laid off, permanent employees are transferred to organizational units that are in need of additional help. Training or invest for the training purpose, there is a heavy investment on training and development of the employees, on the job training, job rotation, and they are trained as the multitasking employee so that they can perform every task in the organization. Occupational skills are valued over firm specific skills because they are multitasked and they are trained as multitasker. So occupational skills are valued. Support employees to improve technical skills and to acquire qualifications. They are always encouraged to acquire the extra qualification or extra knowledge while working in the organization. For that purpose, there is always training and progress uh, development programs are carried out whole on the whole year. Performance appraisal. Objective ensures employees is functioning in harmony with the group. Appraisal is semi-formal. Managers act as senior family member, not as they are the boss. They act as the leader of the company. Harmony is maintained, so they are happy. Since harmony is always the necessity to have a equality between the employee, so the role of managers is very important while maintaining the harmony and to behave accordingly in the organization. Personal and professional related issues are discussed openly. So to maintain the harmony in the organization, tangible rewards is semi-annual bonus in the form of annual bonus to encourage the employee for better performance. Failure result in job rotation, decrease where less important job. Manager frequently send this information to personal department and personal department serve as input to calculate bonus salary increment on the basis of these things. Review implies job rotation assignment and to identify any special skills required by the employees. Compensations are based on the seniority. Since their wage system is seniority based, means the seniors are paid more than the juniors or newer employee. Still, there is two features of the wage system. One is pay increases according to the length of the service. It is also followed in India. Indian culture, as you know, the senior most employee gets the more salary or more hike than the newer or junior employee. Second is wages are not set separately for individual jobs. There is a universal wage system in the economy, which is also followed by the Indian human resource system. Basic salary is determined according to job related qualifications and competence ranks within each job categories. Pay raises applying to the basic salary, periodic pay raises are given every year in the April. Labor and management engage in wage negotiations, which is known as Shunto, every spring. There are two types of wage system. One is age-linked wage system and second is the job ability work system. In the government system, there is age-linked wage system, but in the private system, there is they both are followed age-linked wage system and job ability work system. Job ability work system is followed by the performance appraisal system, as I have told in the previous slide. Social security. First Asian country. Japan is the first Asian country to establish a comprehensive social insurance system. It has two major programs, which is old age, survivor, and disability insurance. Two main health insurance programs are there. One is compulsory employees health insurance plan, and second is national health insurance plan. Industrial relations. Collective bargaining process is known as the Shunto or spring-based negotiations, while union structure three levels, which is known as first level is known as enterprise level, second level is known as the industrial level, and third level is known as the national level. Management gives high priority to union demands. There is no law required for union recognition as in India. For the recognition of union, there is a requirement first to register according to the Company Act for the negotiation or for the unions. Mutually blinding labor binding contracts are there. If strikes are happening there, duration is only for few hours. As in India, the strikes are for unlimited days, not in the for hours. But in Japanese system, if there is sometime there is strike, duration is only very few hours. Less role of government means it is followed by the capitalist system of the economy, and workers' participation is compulsory in the whole process of production. Issued, Issues and challenges. The aging population has clear implications for corporate human resource practices since most of the population in Japan is having the old age and there is a less proportion of the young population because of the lower birth rate. Since therefore nowadays it is becoming a problem for skilled labor in Japanese culture. Increasing suicides due to overwork. In the fiscal year ending March 2010, the Japanese government found about 100 karoshi deaths in suicides. It also ruled that 63 suicides were caused by overwork. This was the whole. As you know, there is written Arigato Gozai Masu means when you want to thank your teacher after the lecture, it is known as the Arigato Gozaimasu. This was all for the day, and in the next lecture, we will discuss about the human resource management system in the uh, European system, in the American system, and in other places. Thank you very much for the today's lecture.